Okay. All right. So it's time to do some serious talking here. All right. You guys already realize that the human body, it makes a pyramid. The blueprint of the human body creates a pyramid. All of your crystals create pyramids. Your rectangles, your triangles, your squares, your hexagons, your circles, they all make pyramids. Even your Metatron's cube makes a pyramid. These are pyramids that have pyramids within them. Now, this pyramid that you're looking at here, I want you to observe very closely the Magistics. Now, I'm going to show you what symbol this is after I show you how complex it is. This pyramid, it stands, as you can see. It has its own little stand. Is a masterpiece. All right, first, all your corners, all your sides, they have to be 13. All four corners. Let's start at the top. All right. So your 10 and your 3, that's 13. All right. Do you have your 9 here and your 4 here? 13. Your 8 here, your 5 here is 13. Your 7 and 6 is 13. So your corner is your tip of your pyramid, as you can see, is 13. Now all four sides have to be 13 as well. You see this side here, 7 and 6 is 13. 2 and 11, 13. 3 and 10 is 13. Let's flip it over to this side right here, you guys. 4 and 9 is 13. 8 and 5 is 13. 12 and 1 is 13. Let's flip it over again to this side, you guys. What is that there? That's a 10 and a 3 is 13. Here go 10. Here go 3 is 13. Here go 2 and 11 is 13. And the last side here. And as you can see, 12 and 1 is 13. 8 and 5 is 13. 9 and 4 is 13. Now, look at the corners at the bottom. Oh, what is this corner here? What is that, you guys? That's a 9, 8, and a 7, right? That means over here is a 4, 5, and a 6. So we see 9 and 4 is 13. 8 and 5 is 13. Then you have your 6 and your 7, which is 13. So that takes care of these two corners here. Now what about these two corners over here? Same thing, as you can see. See? Well, let's check them out. All right, so what we have here is a 12. This is a 12. And this is a 1, which is 13. This right here is a 10. I mean a 9. That's a 9, right? That's a 9. And this over here is a 4. What's that? 13. Then this corner here is what, you guys? Another 12. Right? And 1. What's this down here? This is a 7 here and a 6 here. So all your four corners equals 13. See your corners. All right, now this clock here that it stands on, see the stand? It stands on the clock, see? And as you can see, 9 and 4 is 13. What is this? Ten. That's a 10 and a 3, which is what? 13. Then you got your 11 and your 2, which is 13. You got your 1 and your 12, which is 13. And your 1 here and your 12 here, which is 13. And then the inside, which is your pyramid, we have a pyramid within a pyramid. I'll show you that when I open it up. But the inside as well is 13, going all the way down, which is 11 here, and a 2 here, which is 13, a 3 there, a 10 there, it's 13, all the way down. Okay. So now let's take this apart so y'all can see exactly what it is. Oh, in the front, of course, is a 7 and a 6, which is 13. And then look at the sides here. See, look, 6, 5, 4, 3. Look at the other side. 6 and 7 is what? 13. What's this? 8 and 5 is 13. What's that? 4 and 9 is 13. What's that? 10 and 3 is 13. All the way up is 13. All the way up is 13. This whole platform, even this, the bottom part, what's this, you guys? A 4. So what should be on the other side? A 9, which is 13. And then you got your 10, 11, 12, 1. And of course you got your 3, 2, 1. So all of this is 13. All your bottom is 13. Bottom is 13. All this is 13. All this up the side is 13. All this up the side is 13. All 4 corners is 13. And of course, your cube itself is what? 13. There you go. Another creation from my graph. This was a spaceship. This is a 5-pointed star, you guys. We're going to take it apart for you guys. This was a spaceship, remember? A spaceship that stood on its own. A spaceship with 2 cones, and each side, inside of each cone was a pyramid. Remember, you guys? A perfect pyramid in line, outside and inside, remember? It had a Mobius strip as well. Y'all remember that? A 3-pointed engine as well. 3 sundials. This is just another creation. All of my creations are creations within creations within creations. Now, let's take this apart. The golden ratio you guys are being taught is junk, trash. Forget about what they're teaching you. Forget about it. It's all smoke and mirrors. Now, remember, you have to ask yourselves this question. All right? How is it possible that the human body makes a pyramid? How do you get a pyramid out of the diagram of the human body? How's that possible? And then better still, a better question is this. How is it possible that all of our symbols, I have to be so careful, make pyramids? Everything makes pyramids, as you guys can see. Everything. From your triangles, rectangles, hexagons, even your Metatron's cube makes a standing pyramid. How is that possible? These are the questions you guys have to ask yourselves. Everything makes these pyramids. hope I'm not. Here we go. But this is where you're. Get this open here. All of these patterns are patterns within patterns within patterns within patterns, you guys. You have to remember that as well. All right, look at this. This is so beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we're not done yet. Look at this. Yes, this was a standing clock, you guys. Remember? A standing clock. Yeah, remember that. This was a wristwatch. This is a spaceship. Remember that? Spaceship. This is so nice. I thought I'd just show y'all this, you know. It's just an amazing thing. Isn't it amazing? It's just absolutely amazing. But you have to learn the golden ratio. If you don't know the golden ratio, you know nothing. I have to teach you guys. All right, but first you guys have to get the proper alignments because you have to associate yourselves with the right alignments. You guys need a spiritual awakening. Y'all do. Like I say, these patterns that I'm introducing you guys to is already creations I've already created. But I already, be careful. There we go. That's beautiful. Hold on. You're not done yet. It's like an operation, it really is. There we go. Let's get that clock out of there. All right. Yeah, I have patterns in here that I haven't introduced you to yet. These patterns are for your t-shirts. They're for your hats. They're for your cups, your jewelry, houseware. Yeah. So that's the only way you guys are going to get a spiritual enlightenment. You guys want to get to the level that I'm at, you guys are going to have to associate yourselves with the right alignments. As simple as that, period. So let's find out more about these pyramids, right? Huh? Hold on, let me cut this here. Even as we're taking this thing apart, it still equals 13. Look, as you can see. What's that in there? Y'all see that 3? Can y'all see it? Let me see if y'all can. No, what is that? That's a 10. Is that a 10? That's a 10. So what's on the other side? What you think? A 3. 13. All right, here. Let's see, even here, same thing. 9 and 4 is 13. 8 and 5 is 13. 7, 6 is 13. Even if we take it apart, see, you're 1 there. You're 6 here. 7 here is 13. See? Well, let's finish taking this apart here. For you guys. All right, I have to cut this. Hate to do this, but there we go. All right. Yeah. So y'all think about this. How is it possible that all of your symbols, all of your crystals, you have to be so careful, make standing pyramids? Even the blueprint of the human body is a standing pyramid. You guys have to ask yourselves, how is this possible? And understand the significance of it. trying to teach you. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to teach you. There we go. So you have to learn how to use the golden ratio. You guys really do. I can teach you. I'll teach you. I should show y'all the other images that the human body makes. Not yet, though. It's going to scare y'all. For real. Anyway, let's finish doing this here so I can show y'all what this is that made a pyramid. A perfect, beautiful pyramid, as you can see. As you saw it. Hold on, you guys. One moment. My challenge is still out to the world. Utilize all of your resources, the best of your computers, the best of your technology, your best physics, sciences, mathematicians, the best that this world has to offer. My challenge still stands. Do something better. See if you can even touch the surface of my creations. You can't. You can't even duplicate it. Because my creations are creations within creations, within creations, within creations, within creations. Each one of my patterns, each and every one of them, make 12 different creations. Now, you keep that in mind. And I'm showing you. Like I said, this used to be a spaceship. With a Mobius strip, 3 sundials, 3-pointed engine, 2 cones, with pyramids inside. A beautiful spaceship stood on its own. Same pattern. Just that my patterns are patterns within patterns within patterns, and they're always blank on the other side. I should win a Nobel Prize for that. All right, well, here you guys go. Once again, your 5-pointed star there. It makes a standing pyramid. A perfect pyramid. And of course, you check. Make sure everything is correct. You have your 7 and your 6, which is 13. Check your tip over here, which is 4. Tip over here, which is 9, which is 13. Your tip over here, which is 11. And your tip over here, which is 2, which is 13. See? You guys are not on my level. Not at all.